Hey everyone, Codex here. Today what we're gonna do is take a look at Fantom, just doing some technical analysis and taking a look at where the price could actually go over the next few days. So if that's something you are interested in and you find these videos helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video and click on that bell icon so you get notified when I upload a new video. Also check out my Patreon account as I post a weekly risk metric dashboard in there, custom charts, tips on when to buy and sell. You will also be able to see my own crypto portfolio and what cryptocurrencies I personally own, and all of this for only €9 a month. So check it out if you are interested, of course. And without further ado, let's get into this one. So in the last few weeks, we have been talking quite a lot about Fantom and its price action, and we have been receiving a lot of good feedback as well as a lot of views because of how we managed to predict this drop right here as well as this one. Now, if you recall, 2 or 3 days ago, I said that if Fantom can't manage to hold this high volume node, then we will be looking at the $1 level as it's an important psychological level. And so far, nothing has really changed. FTM is still looking weak, and the price is already out of this high volume node, which is by the way between 1.2 and 1.5 US dollars. And that's actually worrying because we know that we don't have a whole lot of interest from retail investors in this area, and so finding a support in here won't be that easy in case we drop. Also, if we take a look at our stochastic RSI, we can see that both lines are still below the level of 20, so in the bearish territory, and we don't have a bullish cross yet. In order for us to start talking about some relief, we need a bullish cross right here between both lines, like the one we had in here, for example, and we need the blue line to start winning its upside race against the orange line. And so far, for the time being, things still don't look that way. Another thing I want to mention is how low the red RSI is on the Phoenix ascending indicator. And if you have been around for some time, you probably know that in order for us to turn bullish, we need that red RSI to go up above this mid yellow line. And so to me, as long as our red RSI is this low, I still see FTM going sideways at best or to the downside at worst. Now, the only good thing I can think about, the only good thing I can see is that we have some pressure in here. Look, you can see some orange dots right here, and typically these orange dots indicate that the downward or upward pressure is coming to its end. We have headed in here and the price ended up going up. We have also headed in here before experiencing this decent move to the upside. And so although I'm still bearish on FTM long term, I don't think that the price will go below $1 now. I do believe that FTM's bearish phase has come and it will last for a long time, but going below this $1 level will take a lot of time and also a lot of work from bears. And so what I would expect in the next couple of days is something like this. I by no means have high expectations for FTM, and if you are a member of my Patreon, you know that I at first said that I would be looking into buying at 1.25 US dollars about a week ago, but I later changed my mind and said that I don't think jumping into Fantom is a good idea, simply because the bearish momentum has become much obvious and it's definitely getting worse than a week ago. I also want to cover some of the news briefly. Last week, or this week let's say, was pretty bad in terms of news, of course. I mean, we have had the UK shut down crypto ATMs, the SEC rejected yet again another BTC spot ETF, and we have also got the Bitcoin mining ban issue. EU isn't a big fan of the power of work, and Sweden has been calling for a ban for some time now, especially since mining requires a lot of energy and the EU has a big energy crisis right now, and so it's getting tough. Bitcoin won't be banned, that's for sure, but the mining issues are increasing and we might see some sanctions, or let's say restrictions, against mining firms. There aren't any news about that yet, and so we will see in the next couple of weeks. And I know that Fantom uses the proof of stake protocol, but you have to understand that everything is related to Bitcoin. If Bitcoin goes down by 10% tomorrow, FTM will most likely go down by like 15 or 20%, if not more. And so we have been having bad news after bad news, and this upcoming week we've got what, rate hikes. I honestly don't think we will see a surge in the price or a triple top, like many are calling. It simply doesn't add up. It doesn't make sense to me how we can go up while so much is happening right now. And I just showed you in the indicators that we are completely bearish, and so I don't really expect much from the market in the next weeks, and certainly not from FTM. I have been bearish for over 4 months now, and it's slowly getting on my nerves. Making bearish videos one after the other is quite demotivating, but that's the nature of the market right now. It's not like it's in my hands. I mean, we can't really expect much from Fantom when Bitcoin is getting hammered, and there has been a lot of bad news also about Fantom. surrounding the dev, surrounding some manipulation, and yeah, things don't look that great. So that was about it, guys, for Fantom today. Thanks for sticking by till the end. Don't forget to leave the video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment if you feel comfortable doing so. Have a nice day and peace.